Some clicks in our daily life actually make us happy. They bring excitement. But the clicking sound you hear when you open or close your mouth is different.
How many of you have heard this click and ignored it? Most of us do.
We ignore it because we can still open our mouth, eat and talk. This sound usually comes from the jaw joint when the disc or muscles are not moving smoothly. Today, it's just a sound. Tomorrow, it could be pain, stiffness, headache.
Not every click is a good news. A dentist trained in bite evaluation can diagnose it early and prevent long-term damage.